Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ekta Saigal Malhotra at the Kid Do Mentoring Talk Show. We have a beautiful young girl, Shervani Chandorkar, all the way from Bhopal. Shervani is 13 years old and is full of talent and passion because you cannot achieve anything without talent and passion. Shervani is multi-talented. She has been learning classical dance since the age of 6. She loves to draw and has won a couple of competitions when it comes to art and drawing, has won some national level competition in solo as well as group performance in classical dance, in semi classical, also the head girl for the junior wing in her school, and above all of this, this young girl can give styling tips to anyone. At 13, if I look back, I probably wore what my parents told me to. I didn't know what styling is all about. And this young girl knows it all. So, Sharwani, a very warm welcome to you on our show called Kid Do Mentoring. So, how are
Thank you
you,
so
dear?
much. I'm fine.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, Sharwani, I have spoken about you, but you yourself know the best about you. So, how about introducing yourself a little more in detail for all the viewers who are watching you and who are eagerly wanting to hear this beautiful girl?
So I am Shilvani Chandorkar. I am 13 years old, and my hobbies include cooking, dancing, drawing, and obviously doing makeup. And
Wonderful. You cook also.
yeah, I
Awesome.
do.
Wow. Wow. Okay, go ahead.
Like I was always into artistic things. Um, like I already said you that I like to paint and I like to draw. So I think makeup is related to that only. And fashion is also somewhat related to artistic only. So anything that is artistic. And
So, can
I got
you name Sharwani? The nickname to Sharwani could be the artistic Sharwani. Can you do that? The artistic
I didn't hear
Sharwani.
you.
I'm saying we can give you a nickname, the artistic Sherwani, because you dance, you draw, you do makeup, styling, and you can cook. Wow. How old was I when I entered the kitchen to make something for the first time, except for salad and curd? Mm, Probably when I was in my class 11. Which class are you in?
I'm in seventh.
Wow. So, did you learn cooking from your mom?
Yeah, kind of. I learned it from my grandmas, and obviously my mom helped, and
Right.
from YouTube.
YouTube, wonderful, wonderful. From YouTube, of course, YouTube, Google are, our teachers, our mentors. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So, Shravani, you've been learning dance since you were 6 years old, and I believe you've been drawing since you were 4, right? And you
Yeah.
cook at 13, you have your own YouTube channel, and there is so much, about you. So, one by one, we will talk about all these things, right? But before that, I should, for all those wonderful achievements that you have, I should give you something. But, you're in Bhopal, I'm in Delhi, and we are doing this on a virtual platform. So, all I can give you is a tight hug, okay? And I want to give you this small card to say that very well done.
Thank you so much.
All right.
That
And
is so cute.
thank you. That is made by a with help by a small girl, and her name is Vanya. So she said I should give this to the Didi who's coming today. on the talk show.
Oh,
So,
thank you to her
hey,
also then.
yeah, I will convey your message. And this angel, I hope
Oh,
she looks like an
wow.
angel. This angel is saying that I want to know all about Sharwani. I know what all does she like to cook, and she's asking, will you give some styling tips today to all of us?
Yeah, sure.
Wonderful. All right. So let's just first know Sharwani a little more. I'm sure there is Rachna Shrestha. Thank you for joining, saying that Sharwani, you look amazing.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank you.
and there are some small hearts that she's sent for you, and of course, your mom has sent you a big heart. And so all right. So Sharwani, tell us a little more about yourself. Like, which school do you go to, and how did you develop interest in drawing and dance? Let's talk about the D's first.
Okay, so I go to Delhi Public School, D again. Then I don't know how I developed my interest in dance and drawing, but I know I have loved to do it from my childhood. Like I remember when I was in nursery, then I used to take part in drills. So dance come from there, and I like to draw also.
Okay. So which form of dance do you do?
I do Kathak.
You do Kathak. Wow. So you've been learning since you were 6. So it's been almost 7 years that you've been learning.
Yeah,
Wonderful, wonderful. So, uh, before we end the show, I'm not going to let you go without you showing us a few, what do we call the mudras? In Kathak, is it called mudras?
yeah, it
Okay.
is.
Yeah. So, ta, thai, thai, thai. I'd like to see some before you go. All right. So, you've done makeup, and like I said, at 13, I didn't even know what makeup was, and here you're giving styling tips, right? So, let's understand a little more about fashion from you. What do you think fashion is?
Fashion is anything that makes you feel good.
Wonderful. Yes, fashion is anything that makes you look good, makes you
Yeah,
feel good. Most importantly, makes you feel good. Which simply means that what Sharwani is trying to tell us, that fashion is what is comfortable for you. And what may
yeah,
be comfortable for you may not be comfortable for me. So we all define our own fashion. Right, Sharwani?
yeah. I
Wonderful,
totally agree
wonderful.
with that.
Yes, super, super. So So let us say that you think I'm adequately dressed for a talk show. You think my style is okay?
Yeah, it is good for
Yeah,
you.
exactly. Wonderful, wonderful. So tell me one thing. You're lucky. It's not so cold in Bhopal, and you're wearing a t-shirt. Now, if you suddenly, your mom tells you that, what, hey Shervani, we need to go to a party. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how much time will you take to dress yourself up?
I think half an hour.
Okay, so how would you glam up yourself to go for a party if you were exactly the way you are right now?
Then I'll just wear it. I'll just wear a jacket and just go.
Just a jacket, wow, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So do you always wear makeup?
No,
No. Okay. And if you do wear makeup, so I know your mom is watching, but does she object to that?
no, not at all.
No. Okay, wonderful. All right. So for who do you draw your inspiration from? Who motivates you?
Um, I think my main motivation is always my mom. Like kids
Okay.
always do what their parents tell, and like their first inspiration is their parents only. I
Right.
would say that for me also.
So is your mom stylish?
No,
No? So do you give her tips that, mom, this is how you could look more stylish, or this is how you could probably dress up, or kind of, dress like tone down a little bit? Do you give her tips and suggestions?
Yes.
Yes. So why did you start your YouTube channel?
Like I always saw YouTube and I was kind of obsessed with it. And then I thought to use YouTube as a platform to showcase all my passion. So
Hmm.
just started.
Okay. So what all do you share on your YouTube channel?
Anything that I like to do. It can be any four of my hobbies: cooking, dancing, drawing, and fashion.
So, ladies and gentlemen, do you see that these kids are so smart that they use technology to their advantage? No wonder these kids, the moment they are born, they are so fascinated by mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and not only are they fascinated, they are so adept to use them. Many a times, we as adults, who probably have seen the technology kind of evolve, struggle through it, but you kids are fabulous. I mean, I have a YouTube channel at the age of 40, and you have a YouTube channel at 13. I envy you. I mean, that is why I say, Sharvini, that, your children don't need to be taught. You guys need to be mentored, and you in turn mentor us. There is so much of guidance that I get from my 4-year-old, and you are 13. I'm sure there would be a lot of things that you would be kind of sharing and guiding your mom, that mama, do it like this or do it like that, and your makeup is not so nice. So do you do that?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. And how does she respond to it?
Yeah, she is like, okay, I'll just correct it.
Wow. Okay. So is she your best friend?
Yeah, she is my first friend.
Your first friend. Lovely, lovely. That's so beautiful to say that. So I'm sure your mom Radhika Chandorkar would be very happy to hear this, that she's her first friend, you're her best friend, and she's your best friend. And I think that is exactly what your mom also said on one of the other platforms where I hosted her, that my daughter is my best friend, and she guides me and teaches me, and it's so beautiful to see the bonding between you and her is wonderful, wonderful. So, what do you like to cook?
Anything, literally
And
anything.
what's your favorite? I mean, what is that one dish that Shivani cooks at home that both mom and dad say कि भाई ये तो सिर्फ शिवानी ही बनाएगी घर में और कोई नहीं बनाएगा?
I think anything that includes paneer.
Oh, okay. So you're a paneer, like you love
I'm a paneer
paneer.
fan. Yes.
You're a paneer fan. Okay, super, super. No wonder you're so shiny, shiny like a paneer yourself. All right. So let me ask the angel, what is it that she wants to ask Sharvani? Okay. Okay. So she's saying that we want to see a little bit of Kathak now.
Okay. So how can I
Yes.
show it?
Maybe you can
Like
stand it. You want to probably just while sitting, use your hand, the mudras, and your facial expressions to
like
showcase.
mudras.
Yeah.
Like I can show you one of the toughest steps that I learned. Like after 2 years of learning Kathak, this
Hmm.
is like this,
Okay.
and this is actually like a lotus.
Right.
It looks like a lotus, and
Yes.
then this is one of the main steps of Kathak.
Okay. So what
I
I'm doing
am
is,
sure. I'm
Sharvani,
sure it. Huh?
I will exit the screen so that you have the full screen for everybody to watch those mudras, and then I will join you back. Okay?
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. So do show us the steps.
Okay. So
Beautiful. That's so elegant and so gracefully done. Wonderful, wonderful. So Sharvani, what would you like to become when you grow up?
right now, like it always changes. Right now, it's between a fashion designer and a chef.
Very interesting. Fashion designer or a chef. Wonderful,
Yeah, side
wonderful.
is YouTuber, and like this
Mhm.
side thing is YouTuber.
Right. Of course, you can be a YouTuber even after you become a fashion designer. You will, I'm sure,
Oh,
continue to use the technology. Okay. All right. So I'm going to quickly ask you a few rapid fire questions. Okay. Are you ready for it? Sure.
yeah, I think.
Okay. Wonderful. Sherwani the chef or Sherwani the fashion designer?
Chef.
Chef. YouTube or Instagram?
YouTube, not on Instagram.
YouTube. Okay. Mommy or daddy?
I can't choose.
Okay. Studies or no studies?
I think studies is more benefit, but I do not study that much.
You didn't study that much. Okay. Wonderful. I mean, I appreciate your honesty. It's okay. I know you are reluctant. Mommy is watching you, but that's okay. I'm sure all mothers know, and there are a lot of things that they get to know when the child comes here and openly talks. But don't worry. I'm sure she's very happy to see the way you are shaping up and you're doing so wonderful. All right. Um, I'm not going to ask you paneer for sure. So, North Indian food or South Indian food?
North Indian.
North Indian. Okay. Red or pink?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. Um, Kathak or Bollywood dance?
Kathak.
Okay, wonderful. You did very well. So now tell me, when you won your dance competition during the lockdown, which was a group dance, right? I'm
No, it
sure
was
it
a
was
solo dance.
it was a
It
solo
was
dance.
solo dance.
Okay. So how did you feel?
I feel very good. Like I was very happy that my hard work paid off. Obviously, I learned a dance, and it was very hard to do without any teacher and without any guidance. So
Mhm.
obviously, I was very happy, very delighted.
Right, right, right. So let me ask you a very hypothetical question. I see wishful thinking करते हैं, ठीक है? If you ever had a chance to um, conduct a dance show,
Hmm.
okay, where you would want to raise some charity fund,
Hmm.
okay, what would be the cause that you will support?
Um, there are many causes that can be supported. I think
Which one would be closest to your heart?
I think educating poor people.
Educating poor people. Wonderful, wonderful. We have Poonam Saxena who says that you're very, very confident and honest. And these two virtues, if somebody has, that you're very honest and you're confident, it definitely takes you far, in addition to the talent and the passion that you have. And for kids, I mean, I will not call you a child. I mean, kid is also not fair, but you're a teenager. But to be so confident at this age, and you are very bubbly, you're very vibrant, and I think that is just somebody just read my mind, and we have Bindu Bagalu saying that, wow, Sharvani, full of energy and confidence. So wonderful. And to be able to practice so many hobbies at one go with the same amount of passion and talent is commendable. So, on behalf of everyone who is watching us, listening us, or who would eventually watch us, I'm going to give you a big round of applause because
Thank you.
all, all your hobbies, all the hobbies that you have or the interests that you have, be it cooking, be it drawing, be it dance, or even styling, makeup. Each of them needs practice. And
It certainly
Sharwani,
does.
it does, yeah. The first time ever when I put an eyeliner, I was, I think, in my class 12 or in my first year of graduation. And the first time that I put, my eyes were flickering and my liner from here went right up till here. And I didn't know what to do, right? So that's why I said it takes a lot of practice to really, and I can see how neatly you have done your eye makeup. I
We
can
also
see very,
have some little things
yeah,
like little makeup fails. I also have.
yes. So I can see that clearly, that very nicely, your eyeliner, the way you have outlined it and taken it across your eye. You very in a very detailed manner you have done your makeup. So would you like to show us some styling tips?
Like I cannot show it right now because I'll not be able to stand right now, but I can shortly give you some tips.
Sure.
So like right now I'm wearing a crop top. So this can be paired with many things. Like if it's not so much crop and if it's like normal thing, it can be paired with a formal skirt or with jeans and with a coat. It can be like a formal thing. And
Right.
my is like little short, so it can be paired with distressed jeans and it can be paired with anything. Crop tops are like very good thing. It can go with anything. Like any height, any weight. Like it doesn't require anything, and like it looks good on
So,
everybody. So for sure,
right.
it can be very good.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So tell me one thing. When somebody is getting ready, one of course is the sorry, the comfort of the attire that you're wearing, depending upon your body type and more so on all in your mind, whether it is looking nice on me or not. What is that one thing that can make or break the look that you want to create? कोई ऐसी चीज जो अगर आप सही करो तो no matter what it is, you will look the best.
I think there are two things. One is hairstyle, and the second one is makeup.
Okay.
It can change the full outfit. It can change the full way that you look.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So, are there any specific hairstyles that one should use for a formal function or for an informal function?
Like for formal, like judas are very good, and for informal, anything, open hair or one ponytail, two ponytails, anything.
Anything is good. Okay, super, super, super. So, Shivani, you said that if you would raise funds to a dance show, you would use it for the education of the poor people. Why did you choose this cause?
Cause I was reading civics and I read in it that many people leave the school because they don't have enough money to raise their children and educate them. So I think this is the one thing that India needs.
So, you do
Like
agree that education is very important. So, school and
yeah,
studies is very important.
yeah,
Okay,
I
wonderful.
agree with it.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, which means that you should also study nicely. Yes, very good. So, we again have Poonam Saxena saying that you are a speaker, and it is so sweet of you to support that cause if you ever have a chance to do so. So, when you pursue your hobbies, right? How much time in a week do you devote to all the hobbies that you have? Because you would have classes, school, exams and everything. So how much time do you devote?
Like I walk also dancing. I
Okay,
walk
wonderful.
dancing, singing. Yeah, I
So you
can
sing
never sit
also?
or stand. Like sometimes bathroom singing.
तो नमूना हो जाए उसका एक
Nah,
करा जाए. नहीं
nah,
क्यों
nah,
come
nah.
on. No. Okay.
I really cannot
Good.
sing.
Let us decide whether you can or not. Let's see. Let's hear you little bit.
So what should I sing?
Whatever you like, your favorite song.
Mm, um, I'm in a deep thought. Which song?
Socho, socho.
Mm,
What kind of
can it be
song?
in English? English?
English? Yeah, whichever, Hindi, English, कोई भी जो आपको पसंद हो. Angel will
Okay.
be very happy if you sing a song. She just told me I want to listen to a song.
So, I'll sing a song.
Thank
Come
you.
on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night, and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night, and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor. I got all I need. I ain't got cash. I ain't got cash. I got all I need. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
Wonderful, wonderful. See, I told you you can do it because you have the confidence to do it. Wonderful, super, super. So, Sharvani, any message that you would like to give children and teenagers?
Um, Follow your passion. This is a classic advice that I think most people don't follow their passion. Like, it's always good to follow everything that you like. Like, following your passion is like food to your soul.
True, very true.
Like
Beautifully
it,
said.
like it. How can I frame it? Um, I'm not getting.
No, but you said it, dear, that following your passion is like food to your soul, and you couldn't have explained it any better than this. And that is why I say that children mentor us. Not only you as a child are pursuing your passion, but you are telling everybody. You are sharing those inputs through YouTube. That look, hey, you know what? I do this in vain, somewhere or the other, you're mentoring them. And that is why I always say that, mentoring is a two-way process. You would have seen while you were growing up that, your mom wears makeup or, does something. Yeah, little bit,
Little.
little,
Like
little, little.
I have always worn makeup for my dance programs, and that's why I got into makeup to
Right.
like to be self-dependent, not to be
Right.
dependent on my mom.
Wonderful, wonderful. So are you independent on all the other things also?
Kind of. I still need my mom.
Of course. You will need your mom even when you grow old. Everybody needs their mom, whatever
Mm,
age they may be. Yeah. Super, super. So, who besides your mom is an inspiration to you?
Um,
Anybody
I
you
think
look up
my
to?
heart. I think my
Your
heart.
heart. Wonderful, beautiful. Do you write?
Yeah, I sometimes do.
What do you write on? See, I caught you.
I write poems.
You write poems. Okay. What do you write on?
Anything.
Anything you would like to share?
I don't remember a single one. I just write them in a notebook and just close it and write it again.
So, do you have that
I have
notebook
it.
with you?
It's in the other room.
Okay. So, you want to quickly run along and get it?
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah?
I'll ask my
Yeah.
mama to get it.
Yeah. While you get it, I will talk here and I'm going to wait for you to bring your notebook. So, ladies and gentlemen, this young girl is so talented, confident, and honest. She is full of energy. As you can see, there is so much of positivity. For a young child like her at the age of 13, she is talking about something so deep. Follow your passion because that is food for your soul. Follow your passion as that is food for your soul. Coming from a 13-year-old child, where at 13, most of us probably did not even know what this statement means. It takes years for many of us to understand that we need to follow our passion or pursue our passion. So I am not wrong in saying that children definitely mentor us. They, in fact, bring in that newness, bring in that positivity, that change, which is the only thing which is constant. So we have Sharvani back, and she's looking through which one should she read, and I am eagerly waiting, and I'm sure so are the others to hear what this young beautiful girl is writing about. Over to you, Sharvani.
Um, uh, it's a poem which I wrote in 2016. I was pretty young that time. It's about my grandmother. So it's in Hindi, so I'll read it out. Um, its title is मेरी दादी. मेरी दादी सबसे अच्छी हूँ मैं उनकी प्यारी बच्ची है वो बड़ी होशियार वो सबसे ज्यादा समझदार वो रोज सुनाती नई कहानी हूँ मैं उनकी गुड़िया रानी गोरा गोरा रंग है उनका चांदी जैसे बाल लड्डू बनाती है वो मेरे लिए हर साल थैंक यू
So sweet. That's so straight from the heart and so beautifully written. Very good. See, you just gave two statements. That passion is the food for the soul, and your inspiration is your heart. And I knew that you're right. You
हाउ
must
कम बट
that see, I said mentoring is a two-way process, right? So
या
your thoughts are beautiful, my girl, and there is so much more to you that which is coming out slow and steady. And but at the same time, I need to respect that I should not have you very long on social media. And you have your studies and a lot of hobbies and passion to pursue, but you are doing a wonderful job, and you must continue to do so. Follow your passion, follow your heart, because your heart is your biggest inspiration. Mom, dad, of course, guide you, but what your heart tells you is what you are, right? And that will make you who you want to become at a later point in time. And you must cultivate this habit of writing, because that's a very beautiful writing. And a friend of mine told me that everyone can write. It is
या
just about picking up the pen and jotting down your thoughts. Poetry is, I mean, I also write. I am an amateur writer myself, but to me, poetry is what your heart says. And that's exactly what you penned down for your dadi. That's very, very beautiful. And you wrote this 4 years back, because it is the beginning of 2021, which means you were just about 9 years old, right? So that's very,
या
very, 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 very good, commendable. Poonam ji is saying that our heart gives strong willpower, and I think it is your heart and that that beautiful soul that you are, which is guiding you to pursue all that you wish to. Once again, on behalf of everybody, I'm going to give you a big, big round of applause. There are so many hearts and lights that have come for you, and very, very nice comments for you that you're doing a great job. Continue to be like this. Don't change yourself. Pursue your passion, and do share your YouTube channel on our platform. Let mom know to share it so that
या
yeah, a lot of people could watch all that you share, and you never know who might get inspired from you, and and somebody might want to join hands with you, or you may be able to tickle those passionate bones in someone and say that, hey, you know what? Sharvani is doing it and she's inspiring me. I should also do this. I should also, you know, kind of figure out what my passion is. And not only children, you never know how someone would watch it and an adult will get say, "Arey, बिल्कुल सही बात बोली. Passion pursue करना चाहिए." Right? So wonderful, wonderful talking to you, Sharvani, and wish you all the very best. Do strike a balance between your scholastic and non-scholastic activities. Do well, and I'm sure your parents are already very, very proud of you. So good job, all the very best. And for ladies and gentlemen, this is Sharvani Chandorkar, 13 years old from Bhopal, studies in BPS, and class 7.
Yeah.
You're in class 7, and she's just in class 7. And look at her thoughts, the way she is speaking. It is not a script that she is reading. It is an impromptu conversation with this young, beautiful girl who's full of energy, exuberance, talent, and passion. And just look at her. She's been having that constant smile and very, very supportive, I must say. You sang, you danced, you read out your poem, and without any inhibition, you completely rocked. And we have Deepika Harshal saying, very nice, Sharvani, and way to go. So, indeed, lots of love and blessings are being showered on you. So, with this, Sharvani, thank you so much for being here with us on the Kid Do Mentoring Talk Show. And like I always say, that mentoring is a two-way process. Children mentor us, and I find these conversations with these young children, young adults, if I may call them, absolutely enriching. With each talk show, I take back so much and more that it really mentors me and it charges me up that you know अगला जो आएगा मैं उनसे क्या बात करूंगी. I really need to think through कि मैं कैसे इन बच्चों से बात करूं, because you guys are brilliant. And ये है नन्हे परिंदे, कह रही है पूनम जी, इनको छूना है आसमान. We have Renuka Bangar, who comes from the education space and is saying that she loves your confidence and you're indeed inspiring and stimulating. So Sharvani, lots of good comments coming your way, and I'm sure more would follow. And take care. God bless you. And for
Thank you.
all our,
Same to you.
thank you, my dear. For all our viewers, we will be back again with yet another inspiring journey of a young child, because they guide us, they mentor us, and they also need to be guided and mentored. So wonderful. God bless you. Angel says bye bye. And once again, small token of appreciation for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
See
Same to
you
you.
all.
Bye.
Be safe. Take care.